Audio Jungle.
South Palm Resort, good morning. This is Rotimi speaking. How may I help you today?
I'd like to make a table reservation in your restaurant.
Certainly, ma'am. May I know who's in the line, please?
I'm Cristal Resanable.
Okay, ma'am Cristel. For when and what time is your reservation for?
January 10, 9 p.m.
Okay, ma'am. Kindly hold on the line for a moment. I will check if that date and time is available.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you for waiting, Ma'am Cristel. The date and time you want to reserve is absolutely available. May I know whose name will this reservation be listed under? Thank you for waiting, Ma'am Cristel. The date and time you want to reserve is absolutely available. May I know whose name will this reservation be listed under?
Still my name, Cristal Resanable.
Great! So how many are we expecting from your party, ma'am?
I'm the only one.
Alright, ma'am, do you have any special request to highlight the occasion of your surprise or your honorary perhaps?
Good idea. I like that my table will have a fresh flower and red rose as a centerpiece and the candelabra.
Okay, ma'am, where would you like to sit, ma'am? Near in the window or in a patio?
In a patio, please.
Alright, ma'am, may I know the special occasion of this reservation?
It's just a treat for myself.
Okay, ma'am, that's good to hear. May I know your number where you can be conducted for the confirmation of this reservation?
0912-6245-248.
Okay, ma'am, may I repeat your contact number is 0912-6245-248. Will that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
May I repeat the details on your reservation, ma'am? You made a reservation for one person this coming January 10 at 9 p.m. for a treat of yourself, with a special request of fresh red roses, a centerpiece, and that candelabra, in the table to be located in the patio. Did I get it right, ma'am?
Yes.
If you have any amendments and inquiries with regards to your reservation, ma'am, please don't hesitate to call us. Thank you for calling South Palm Resort. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Audio Jungle.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to South Palm Resort. Are we holding a reservation for you,
Audio
ma'am?
Jungle.
Yes. May I know whose name in your reservation? Okay, ma'am. Please wait for a moment. Let me check the logbook if we have your reservation in our stock.
Audio Jungle.
Have your reservation in your restaurant. This way, please. Is this okay for you, ma'am? Yes. Have a seat. Good morning, ma'am. I am Rotimi, your food attendant for this morning. May I reservation block, ma'am?
Audio Jungle.
Would you like to try a refreshing appetizing aperitifs? We have the dried martini, have the ingredients beans, the base, and dried vermouth with a fresh martini. Or you can have vodka martini with the ingredients of vodka as the base and dried vermouth with a garnish of green olive. I love dried martini. Okay, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. One dried martini for your aperitifs. I will be right back to serve your coffee.
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your cold water?
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present our menu? Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve the complimentary bread, the fresh roll with
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your dry martini? Waiter? Yes, ma'am. Are you ready to place your order? Can you suggest something because I can't choose? How about fried bruschetta potato? It is not with tomato relish and mouth protein dressing with spices and herbs. Catfish gumbo soup, a soup of a chef salad of different greens, meat, veggies, cheese, and dressing. It is a specialty of the house. For entry, you can have grilled fish stick, cured in honey with herbs and allspice. Taste the creamy cordon of blue veal with the savory sweet of Swiss cheese.
I want to have bruschetta, catfish combo, chef salad,
Audio Jungle.
Will that be all, ma'am?
yes,
Okay, ma'am, may I repeat your order? You have one bruschetta, one catfish combo soup, one chef salad, and one curry. Can I get it right, ma'am? Okay, ma'am, may I have the menu? Okay, ma'am, I will be right back.
Audio Jungle.
Serve your order. Good morning, ma'am. I am Rotine, your wine steward. So, I present the wine list, no? Since you ordered cordon bleu, may I suggest Malbec Merlot?
Audio Jungle.
Okay. Thank you.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your appetizer?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your appetizer, ma'am? Can I take this?
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your catfish combo soup?
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your catfish combo soup?
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your chef salad?
Audio Jungle.
Shall I pour the dressing cup or shall I?
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your chef salad?
Audio Jungle.
ano salad na? Ako salad na?
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present the Malbec Merlot of Argentina with 1992 vintage, alcoholic content of 70%, and a volume of 750 ml.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve your carding blue pesto for pasta and ravioli? Shall I pour the dressing on top or shall I leave it?
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I take the carding blue? Of the food?
Audio Jungle. Audio Audio Jungle.
Okay. I received 1,500 pesos, ma'am. I will be right back for a change in receipt. How did you find dining with us, ma'am?
Audio Jungle.
It's great. Any suggestion for our service and ambience for better service, ma'am? Here's the change in receipt. Thank you for dining with us, ma'am. Have a nice day. Room service, good morning. This is Rotime speaking. How may I help you today?
I'd like to order for my breakfast.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your complete name?
Cristela Reservation.
Okay, ma'am. Cristel. May I know your room number?
201.
Okay, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. For a moment, let me check first if you have a complimentary breakfast for your package.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am. You have 2 complimentary breakfasts. May I know what time do you want this to be delivered?
7 o'clock today.
Okay, ma'am. May I know what type of breakfast you want to avail? American, continental, or Filipino breakfast? Or you can have English breakfast if you want. There's a room service menu located at your table.
I like 2 continental breakfast. Can you suggest something delicious?
Sure, Miss Cristel. For continental breakfast, you have 2 slices of bread toasted with butter and jam and marmalade. For fruit, you have a choice of mango, banana, melon, pineapple. For juice and fresh fruit, for beverage, we have brewed and instant coffee.
I'd like to have toasted bread with butter, slice of watermelon for fruit, banana juice, and brewed coffee.
Will that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order, ma'am? You have
Audio Jungle.
2 complimentary continental breakfast comprising toasted bread with butter, a slice of watermelon, banana juice, and a brewed coffee. Did I get it right, ma'am?
Yes.
And for the other details, ma'am, this is to be delivered at room 201 under the name of Crystal Rationable.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, that's right.
Okay, ma'am, your order will be delivered at exactly 7 a.m. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice
Audio
day.
Jungle.
Bye.
Room service, good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am Rotime, your room service attendant. Here's your room service order, the continental breakfast. May I come in?
Audio Jungle.
Ma'am, where would you like to set up your food? In the table, in the balcony, or should I be in the floor? In the table, please.
Audio Jungle.
Ay, wait, sakat sa oy.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am, your food is now ready. Have a seat. I need a survey in your lap, ma'am. Sure. May I open the curtain to brighten up your room, ma'am?
Audio Jungle.
May I turn on the television for your entertainment?
Audio Jungle.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I present this confirmation? Can you sign in?
Audio Jungle.
Thank you, ma'am. Well, when would you want me to come back for the clearing of your dishes, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. When you're ready, just dial 503 for the clearing of dishes. Thank you, ma'am. Room service, good morning. This is Rodney, your room service attendant. Good morning, ma'am. I'm here to clear the dishes, ma'am. Are you done? May I come in?
Audio Jungle.
How's the food, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Let me check the table appointment. It is complete.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, ma'am. Everything is complete. Thank you for availing room service, ma'am. Have a nice day.